Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about how to create your Deriv account, step-by-step guide on how to create your Deriv account. So if you could remember in our last video, we discussed about what is Deriv.com, why do many beginners choose Deriv, what can you trade on Deriv, and then we also discussed the important tips before you trade. So if you are still confused on starting your trading journey, so you can visit the last video and then you will be clarified. But on this video, I will be teaching you on step-by-step process on how to register on Deriv so that your account can start experiencing financial freedom. And I promise you this video will be smart, simple, understandable, and very easy so that you can create your account, or for anybody that wish or we really want to create the Deriv account. So for you to start creating your account, you go to your best browser. So when you go to your best browser, you ensure that your network is strong. You understand? Then I will be sending the link of the Deriv platform on the description of this video. I will be sending the link. So you just copy it and paste it on your browser as I am doing now. It will appear. So when you paste it, then you press search. It's loading. So when it loads, it will bring you to a page like this, which shows Deriv, join, and from this place you can tune it to any language. You understand? We have Spanish, we have Arabic, we have France, we have Dutch, we have Italian, we have. But for me, because of my own country, I will be choosing English. This is English. I'll be choosing English language for my signing. So it says join 3 million points plus global traders. Deriv are more than 3 million based on the data provided. So it said that tell us where you live. We will show you the product and services available in your region. So this is the first step for you to get registered to the Deriv program. It says you should choose your country. So when you come here, you choose either you're from Netherlands, New Caledonia, New Zealand, Niger, Nigeria, Germany, Norway, all the countries in the world. But because I'm from Nigeria, I will choose Nigeria. You understand? Then after choosing Nigeria, if you see from the down, it says already have an account login. So if you have an account before, you don't need to sign up. You just use the yes, you can log in from the space I just cycled. If you already have an account before, so all you need to do is to log in and dive in into your dashboard so that you can navigate and make your trading journey. But here now, we'll be talking about signing up. That is creating your account for new beginners, which is a very wonderful beginning experience. So as you can see from the picture or the dashboard, I cycle sign up. So this is where you click. When you click on it, it's going to take you to a place that, so it's loading. As you can see, it's loading. Ensure that your network is strong so that, and most important thing, as you can see, I'm using my mobile phone. That is, the Deriv is very accessible. So for those people complaining that they can't use their mobile phone, it is only on CP. No, for you, the Deriv is a very, very affordable. You can use your mobile phone as long as you have a good network and you have a good fast running system on your phone, so you can use it. So as you can see here, it says choose sign up method. Choose how you would like to create your account. Either you sign up with Google, or you sign up with your Facebook, or you sign up with Apple, or then you input your email or phone number on this place above. But for the progress of this video, we shall be signing up with our email. As you have seen, I have input my email there. So the next thing to do is you click on next. After clicking on next, it will say please complete the verification challenge and try again. So we'll go up to check what is the challenge. So we input our email again. Understand? We press next. So what happened is ensure that you are not connected to any Wi-Fi or anybody spotting you. Ensure that you are using your data, because when you do that, it will not connect. You understand? So you verify that you are not human. When you do that, you see it's searching to check if there is any. It says success. Then the next thing is to click on next. So as you can see, it's searching. It will require a code sent to this email. So you go back to your email. So I will go to my email and copy the code so that I can paste it here. So as you can see, the code have been sent to my email. So all I need to do is to copy it. I've copied it. Then I go back to my browser and then I paste it there. I go back to my browser. Then I paste it. paste. So it's pasting, it say it's verifying. So as you can see, it's verifying. Then you verify whether you are human or not. Very, very simple. Ensure that you are not connected to any network. Then it says set up your passport. This is where I will set up my passport. Let's say I choose let's just choose any random passport. So as you can see, I've input my passport. Ensure that your passport is strong and nobody can trace it. Nobody can configure it on their head and then manipulate it. So please ensure that you have a strong password. So I send create to see if my password will be accepted. So it says save my passport. It means that my passport is strong. You can save it or you can either leave it. But for me, I will love to leave it. You understand? Then it says start real trading. Set up your profile to trade with your real funds or try free demo trading. So you understand? So as you can see in my last video, I also explained to you what a demo trading is, whereby it's a free funded account that you can start learning how your trading goes. But now we'll be logging in to try real trading because we are creating a real account. But you can also log into your demo account in order to navigate and then to trade on your free funded. Is free, more than $10, almost $10,000 in that free demo account that you can use and start practicing your trading. So we'll click on try real trading now. So it's clicking, it's rotating, it's navigating. So before you fill your personal data, for those still confused on where to get the link, check the description of this video. You will see the link of the the link that you will use to start creating your account as I am doing now, in case you are still confused. So go to the description. So here is your first name. You fill in all this place, your first name, your last name, then date of birth, the country where you are, either Germany, Africa, Asia, you understand, any continent you are, you fill it, then your citizenship, then your country of birth. After doing it, then you click on next. So after searching, it gets you to where you enter your phone number. So you click on next. So it's also search. After after inputting your phone number, they will send you a code which I've copied the code they sent. Then the next is confirm your identity. Select your ID type. Then you will guide through taking a photo. You understand? Then it's Nigeria. We all know. I'll still click on Nigeria. ID type. You click on either Nigerian driver license, national identity number, or passport. But I'm going to choose passport. So I click on next. So I can see it shows that all that the verification is in progress. So we are currently reviewing your document. Thank you for your patience. Then I click on next. When I click on next, it's loading. The next thing is to verify your address. So I input my address. So after that, they will send you this terms and condition. So it's very, very important that you read it and you accept it. So after accepting that, it shows you that you are all set. Your profile setup is complete. Make your first deposit to get started. Recommended deposit method. You can use this deposit method, a credit card or e-wallet. So as you can see, creating the Deriv account is very, very simple and precise. So in our next video, we'll be talking about the Deriv dashboard and then how to navigate and trade on the dashboard and varieties of indices or things that the Deriv provide for us. So let's go to the home. When we go to the home, it will take us to the Deriv dashboard. You understand? So in our next video, we'll talk about this Deriv dashboard and then how you can start your trading. Thank you. Please endeavor to share, subscribe, and comment. Share to people so that they will know the simple way of creating Deriv account. This is the most simple and easiest way. Please ensure you share to new beginners that need a new broker that will earn them a lot of money. And the link is on the description of this video. Send it to your friends so that they can start earning from Deriv. Thank you and see you next time in our next video.